I think the first thing is to get in front of their faces and be seen. Show what you offer, and a lot of that is advertising on social medias. I've myself clicked on companies on Instagram, like, I would work there, and it's just making sure they could see you, because you'll never have a chance if not, because
Mhm.
a lot of people aren't going out there, knocking on a business saying, "Will you hire me?" It's more so on Indeed or LinkedIn. So I think just having that outreach, getting in front of their faces, that's your best chance to hire young talent.
What is it that draws the young talent in? Meaning, when they're on social media, what is it they're looking for that catches their eye?
Well, I think we're watching dumb videos and tweets all day, so when something real life hits you and I do need a good job. Where I'm working right now is minimum wage hourly. Why not give this a go? It's gotta at least show them that they could branch out from where they're at and
Hmm.
grow. It's gotta show some growth possibilities.
That's for a lot of our listeners. They miss that mark because it's no. I just need to be out there. I just got to put stuff on the web. I don't have time to be on social media, and yet, as we talked about a few times in this show, our, we have to meet people where they are, and the younger generation is on social platforms. They're not going to your website. They're not necessarily going to LinkedIn to find out, hey, I need a job.